Hello, beautiful people. Today we are learning about Windows settings and the control panel. On the Windows system, the primary locations to make changes are the settings menu and the control panel. Aren't those the location that you can change things on any system? Because I believe so. For a long time, the control panel has been the go-to location to make changes, to make system changes, such as adding a printer, uninstalling a program, etc. The settings menu was introduced in Windows 8, the first Windows operating system catered to touch, screen tables, screen tablets, and is still available in Windows 10. As a matter of fact, the settings menu is now the primary location a user goes to if they are looking to change the settings. There are similarities and differences between the two menus. Below are screenshots of each. This is the Windows settings and this is the control panel, but let's jump in the machine they provided. And from the Windows button, we say settings. And we see here, boom, Windows settings. And again, from that same start button or Windows icon button, we say control panel. Boom, boom, boom. And we can see them. Note, the icons for settings might be different in the version of Windows on your personal device. Both can be accessed from the start menu. Pin to start. You can see it over here. Let's take control panel and place it here. Right, we have settings and control panel. Control panel is the menu where you will access more complex settings and perform more complex actions. In some cases, you can start in settings and end up in control panel. For example, in settings, click on network and internet. From here, click change adapter settings, change adapter options. And here you can see that we were brought, if we go back in here, here you can see the entire path, control panel, network and internet, network connections. If you're unclear which to open, if you wish to change a setting, use the start menu and search for it. In the example below, the search was wallpaper. Notice that few results were returned. He accessed the start icon and just wrote wallpaper. And here we have the exact same result. If we click on the best match, a window to the settings menu appears to make changes to the wallpaper. So this is the best match and here are more settings. This is the best match. When we click, we are inside the exact location. Answer the questions below in the control panel. Let's go there. Change the view to small icons. So we are inside control panel, explorer, and view by small icons. And then what is the last setting in control panel view? Windows Defender Firewall. We can go there. And from here, let's just copy this. Boom.